Take control of your AI and unlock its full potential by fine-tuning the powerful DeepSeek model right from your own computer. Today, we're diving deep into the process of fine-tuning DeepSeek Locally, a game-changer for anyone prioritizing data privacy and customized AI performance. Forget the cloud. And let's bring this advanced language model to your workstation. Our journey begins with preparing your unique dataset. This is where you'll curate the specific examples that will teach DeepSeek the nuances of your target task. Think of it as providing the model with its new, specialized knowledge. Next, we'll ensure your local environment is primed for action. This involves setting up the necessary software and libraries that DeepSeek needs to run and train effectively on your machine. Compatibility is key here. Now, it's time to configure the fine-tuning process itself. We'll select the right parameters to guide DeepSeek's learning, deciding how extensively it should adapt to your data and focusing its new skills. With everything in place, we initiate the training. Your local machine will now work its magic, imprinting your custom data onto the DeepSeek model, transforming it into a specialized tool for your needs. After the training concludes, we'll evaluate the results. This crucial step verifies that DeepSeek has indeed learned what you intended and is now performing at its peak for your specific application. Congratulations! You've successfully fine-tuned DeepSeek Locally, gaining unparalleled control over your AI and ensuring your sensitive data remains right where it belongs with you.